Damp. It means slightly wet, often in an unpleasant way. Example: the towel is still damp even after being in the dryer. Consult means to seek advice or information from someone. Example: I need to consult with my doctor before starting any new medication. Hazard means a danger or risk. Example: watch out for that hazard on the road ahead. Numerous means many or very many. Example: there are numerous reports to review before the meeting. Glossy means shiny and smooth. Example: the magazine has glossy pages that make the pictures look more vibrant. Blessing means a beneficial thing for which one is grateful. Example: having supportive friends and family is a true blessing. Firm means strong and solid, not yielding easily. Example: he gave a firm handshake, showing his confidence. Flaw means a slight fault, defect, or imperfection. Example: there's a small flaw in the design, but it's still functional. Alarmed means feeling frightened or worried. Example: she was alarmed by the sudden noise in the middle of the night. Frosty means very cold, often used to describe weather or a person's demeanor. Example: it's frosty outside, so make sure to bundle up. Trim means to make something neat by cutting away irregular parts. Example: I need to trim the hedges in my garden this weekend. Torrid means very hot and dry. Example: the torrid heat in the desert was unbearable. Deafening means extremely loud. Example: the concert was so loud, it was deafening. Demise means death or the end of something. Example: the demise of the company was inevitable after years of losses. Attend means to be present at an event or place. Example: I have to attend a conference next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.